everyone. Today I am here to give some knowledge about the human health and diseases. As we know, health means the person should be mentally, physically, should be healthy, having a proper diet and proper sleep. That person is said to be healthy, or it is called as health. Now, when the functioning of any organ of our body or our body is not able to function properly, that is called diseases. Diseases can be caused by not taking good care of a person. So we have to take a good health can be maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise, awareness about the disease and their effects, immunization against the infection diseases, proper disposal of wastage, control of vectors and maintaining of hygienicity of water and food. So this, if we not maintain these things, disease can be caused. Now what is disease? Disease can be of two types, that is infectious disease and non-infectious diseases. Infectious disease means which are easily transmitted to one person to another person, that is called infectious disease. Non-infectious disease means which cannot be transmitted to one person to another person, that is called non-infectious disease. Some of the common diseases can be caused by microorganisms like virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoas and pathogen entering our body for various means by interacting with the person which is already infected to the virus or by having the food which is already infected. Disease is of two types, that is congenital disease present from the birth and acquired disease developed after the birth. Now this acquired disease is further classified into communicable disease and non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable disease, when we are coming in the contact of the person, we will not get infected. These are organ deficiency disease, allergic and cancer. Now communicable diseases which are caused by the pathogen, that is virus, bacteria and other some diseases which is caused by the pathogen. These comes under the communicable diseases. So here was some information about the diseases. Thank you.